Hello everyone! I am Cyril Cabildo, an AMA student, taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. In this vlog, we will talk about our environment. How can we save our Mother Earth? And what are the causes of environmental issues we are facing today? In short, how can we become an Earth warrior? Anyway, this video is part of my project on my subject, Science, Technology, and Society. As we go through this video, I will be answering some questions and discuss my own thoughts about the documentary I watched entitled Our Planet, Our Business. This documentary opened my mind and deepened my own understanding about our environment, issues, and everything about our planet. I am encouraging everybody to be an Earth warrior. Let us save our planet. So, our topic is centered on our environment. If we define environment in the simplest term, it is to describe everything that surrounds us, all the living and non-living things. Therefore, our goal should be to protect the environment, to ensure it is not destroyed. How can we change the mindset of youths to maintain a clean and green society or environment? Well, for me, it is simply to encourage them to start doing the right things in their home or in their hometown. There's a lot of simple things that we could do to protect our environment that will also serve as an example to the young generation. At home, for example, we can segregate our waste. Avoid using toxic household cleaning materials. We can also plant trees and vegetables on our backyard, especially those who are living in provinces as they have a bigger space than those who are living in Metro Manilas or in cities. And finally, walk or use a bicycle for nearby errands. The last suggestion, help us keep fit, which is a bonus. These measures can help ease environment problems. And as an individual, either at home or work, what are some technological advancements humans have ever created but continued larger scale of environmental problems? What do you think are sustainable solutions to these problems? Well, one of the biggest causes of air pollutions are cars. For example, in Metro Manila, you can see serious traffic congestion. That means so much air pollution is produced. We cannot stop people from using the road as traveling is needed for us to go to work and other places. However, we need to use transportation that can minimize the damage to the environment. For instance, instead of using our private cars, we can just ride a jeepneys or bus. This would lessen the number of cars being used, which means less contribution on air pollution. As technology arises and develop, it also means the higher risk on our environment being destroyed, on the impact of this technological development by the misuse and damage on our natural resources like air and water that being polluted. The main sources are all related to the following industrial revolutions such as factories, power station, mass agriculture, and vehicles. Water pollution from the domestic waste, industrial effluents, and insecticides and pesticides released in the natural water bodies. This is the negative effects on our environment, our natural resources being polluted. Toxic wastes from industrial factories that causes water pollution. Air pollution from cars, gases. Using a bicycle for nearby errands. Bike to work day. Planting a trees keep our environment clean and green. Cite some technologies used at home or work that is sustainable and no impact on destruction to our environment. Here are some examples that can be used at home, like water filter, LED lighting, and solar panels. A lot of people may not know this, but you are playing a small role in saving the environment when you drink filtered water. because filtering water helps save water, and it is also reduce the number of plastic bottles, which causes environmental issues, especially when not being properly disposed of. LED bulbs uses less energy than traditional incandescents, and it is a big help. And solar panels on our home helps combat greenhouse gas emissions and reduce our collective dependence on fossil fuels. What are some best practice you do at home to conserve and protect our environment? As for me, the best practice I usually do at home is recycling and using recyclable materials. I reuse empty jars, bottles, cans, and scratch papers. I also enjoy turning them into beautiful arts and crafts instead of throwing them into the garbage bin. If more people do this, we do not need to buy much home decor, as we can make it such things ourselves and make earn money by selling them. In short, by recycling some things from our home, we can develop and show our hidden talent. Plus, we can help minimize the tons of garbage being dumped. As this goes saying to Philippines, there's a money in the garbage, or may pera sa basura. How can we encourage the youth to save our planet Earth and be an Earth warrior? As an individual, I can try to be a role model and set an example to the young ones by simply doing things that can save our planet. Starting at home by segregating and properly disposing our waste, as well as teaching our children or siblings on so many simple things they can do or easily follow, like not wasting water, not throwing plastic wrapper on streets that will lead to environmental pollution. I will educate them on the importance of taking care of our environment, like how it will benefit us if our environment is clean, and how it will also affect us if we continue destroying our planet. I also encourage them to participate in activities like tree plantings, and also plant with them at our backyards if we have a bigger backyards, especially if we are living in provinces. And of course, we should do or continue doing it for them to adopt and follow our path being an earth warrior. Thank you for watching and listening to this vlog. Mabuhay!